It's okay, it happens. The Flea's Knees, written by Lynn Downey and illustrated by Carla Firehammer. Who is the illustrator? What is an illustrator? Anybody know? Yes.
The one who draws the pictures.
Good job.
The artist.
The artist, you're right.
Get with this story.
On a dark, dark night, in an old, old farm, in a rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. Let's look at this pictures.
Except the flea.
See the pictures?
Yeah. Yeah. Easy.
The old barn, all the animals are sleeping. I want you to listen to these animals very closely because the next page we might repeat them. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. They're all sleeping.
I can see the flea.
We might be able to see the flea.
I kind of
so
see the
tiny.
flea. I saw the flea. I didn't.
No one heard him cough. He's coughing. Not even the mouse he used for a house. Okay, let's repeat this. Or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog.
Where's the barn frog? He's on the frog.
It's on the pig. On the
Why
hog.
do they call him
Right there.
big hog?
Hog is another word for pig.
I
They
see the flea.
all slept peacefully, but not the flea.
I see the flea. Is that kind of snacks? Yeah.
No one heard him sniffle, sniffle. Poor flea. Not even the mouse he used for a house.
The mouse
Let's repeat.
I'm not thinking about the mouse.
Let's repeat. The rat or the cat or the black-eyed bat or the cow or the owl or the feathered fowl or the dog or the hog or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. They all were sleeping.
I can see the flea. Yeah, you can see. The flea's on the move. It's on the ear.
No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me?
The mouse?
He needs a tissue. Poor flea. Not even the mouse he used for a house. Let's repeat. Or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They
Everything is moving.
all slept peacefully, but not the flea. They're still all sleeping,
I can see the flea.
sleeping.
I see the flea. Stop it. I'm saying I'm seeing the flea. Stop.
Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! Went the flea. Oh no, he sneezed. It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed maroo. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered moo. What did the cat say? And the mouse? Boo-hoo. And the cow? Moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked woof, woof, and sprayed the hog, who screamed ew. reminded the frog of his old nephew. What did the owl say? Ooh. And the dog. And the
Foul.
or the fowl. Cock-a-doodle-doo. And the hog. But the mouse, the flea he used for a house, kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. What does doze mean?
Sleep, please.
Sleep. For all the rest of that dark, dark night, the old farm on the rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. Everyone is sleeping.
Except the hog.
What do we see in the picture?
Sheep.
We see the sheep,
I see the wolves.
and you see a cow,
And you see clouds and stars.
and we see clouds and stars. And what's this that
A
shines at
moon.
night?
Oh, it says a Z.
You're right, there are the little sheep, they're sleeping.
And no, look, next to the barn, seeds.
Yep, and the cow, and then they're in the sky because it's all the other animals in the barn, showing them. You see the hills.
There's stars.
There are stars because when do the stars come out? They come out at night. You're right.
And the sun is a star. The sun is the biggest star. No,
Yes.
it's not. It's actually a door.
Okay, we're not talking about sun or stars. The flea and the mouse he used for a house. The rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat. The cow, the owl, the feathered fowl. Even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log except for the hog. Oh no, what's happening with the hog now? No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I'm gonna sneeze. Achoo!
We didn't see the
Let's see. Oh no. So what was wrong with the flea? He had a cold, right? He had to sneeze and cough. And now the flea finished, and he had a cold, and now he's sleeping. But now who has the cold?
pig. Piggy.
The hog, the pig is sneezing. I wonder, do you think all the other animals might get sick?
Yes. Probably
Yeah.
they're gonna get sick over and over and harder. Just like pig.
Let's see. Let's see if we can find the flea. Can anybody find the flea in this picture? Ah.
See it on here because you can tell about his tiny.
Yep, he's sleeping in this photo.
Oh, there's a rat and a mouse. I thought that was only a mouse.
Yep, that's a mouse.
Can I see it? I can see. Me too. Where's a rat? Yes, on top of the mouse.
He is on top of the mouse. Because we found out in this book, where did the flea live? He said that he lived on something. The flea and the blank he used for a house. What was his house, or who was his house?
Mouse.
The mouse. The mouse was his house.
Can I use the restroom?
Not right now. Let's see, what else?
Choo. You can see somebody who's asking.
Let's see what else. Let's see. Oh, they're all sleeping here. That owl, what is he doing? He's doing something kind of silly.
Can I see?
The rhyme.
Oh, the rhyme. Can we do the rhyme again? Can we say it again?
Yes.
Yes. The rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog.
What's the owl doing?
The